Hey guys, it's your homeboy here, the one and only Great Dane. Today I'm going to be making a video on Zap surveys. So the title is not clickbait. It's starting from a big idea from something really small. So how you guys can really help me, or even help yourselves, is I'm going to leave a link to this application down below. And if you really want to help, this is going to take you about 10 minutes probably. So as you can see in the Refer a Friend section of Zap surveys, every time you use my link, whoever uses the link will get 75 cents. And I want to keep in mind that the reason I even got this app in the first place was the fact that you start out with $6.35. So if you use my link, you get to start out with $7. However, you can only cash out at 25. So if you guys really want to help me, every time you use the link, you get 75, and I get 45. But in order for the link to count, you have to create an account and take one survey. And once you do that, I'll get 45 cents, and you'll get 75 credited towards my account and your new account. Technically, you could do this with multiple accounts, and I would really appreciate it if you did, but I don't expect anyone to do that just for me. So I'm going to walk you through everything to do with this app, which is totally legit, no clickbait here. You can earn money for donating to stop COVID-19. You can use the money towards yourself for helping out your family. If you have extra time, I really think this is a great thing you can do. So there's a lot I can go over, so I'm going to try to keep this video under 10 minutes. So basically, Zap Surveys, if you can tell from the title, is a survey-taking app, which basically it allows you to earn money for helping people get information based on your opinion. So basically, what you can do is, I want to include that Zap actually has its own section here, where if you spend money through the Zap app, you can actually get % of your money back as well. I'm personally not going to use this too much just for what I'm doing, because honestly I'm just trying to earn more money for my family at this point. But if you guys, if you really have extra time in your hands and you wanted to help stop COVID-19, as you can see, or you just care to help charity, basically Tap Research has high-paying surveys. It says, okay, sorry for the interruption. Okay, so Tap Research definitely isn't the highest paying survey thing, but when you do complete their surveys, if you exit or the survey bugs out, they'll give you 3 cents for trying, and for every $1 that you make with Tap Research surveys, they donate 5 cents to charity. And if you're really trying to do good, and I think for charity in general, you would do that, and then once you get 25, you can donate that straight to charity as well. So, Peanut Labs is basically the same thing as Tap Research, where you get rewarded and we make a donation to stop child starvation around the globe. So similar to Tap Research, when you take surveys, they give to charity as well. I like Peanut Labs better than Tap Research because if I try to load into it here, they have more options than just surveys. Specifically, they have apps you can download for pretty good amounts, which I don't know if you guys remember back to let me see if I can remember the name. It's Battle Warships Naval Empire, I believe. So this Zap Surveys is the reason I was playing that game, and you can go back in the video where I specifically say I'll make a video in the future saying why I was playing that game. This is the reason that you subscribe and ring the bell, guys, because I don't clickbait. This is literally the reason. So I'll show you that it works in a second here too. So okay, so these are all info submits. So what I like about Peanut Surveys is you have purchasable surveys where it's basically like you get a portion of the money back. I don't see why you would do that if you don't have money to spend in the first place, but it's there if you want it. There's donations where you donate and you get some back as well, I think. My favorite personally is app installs, because let me see if I can get any good ones here. So you get like $50 to a few dollars depending on what the app is. Let me see if I can filter this too. So right now the highest one is 63 cents, and keep in mind you're getting this just for installing an app. So the one I did though was a lot more involved, so like it tells you what you need to do. Okay, yeah, here it is. So Battle Warship Naval Empire. I got $2.70 for reaching level 13 on my account. So as you can see, they do credit you. And again, another thing I like is if you complete a survey, or like if you have a picture at the end of a survey or an app, like you beat their challenge and you're supposed to get a specific amount of money, you can go to this section and they have the transaction ID, and you can basically email them or just mail them through here. And if you have proof that you completed it, they'll get back to you, and there's a really good chance they'll reward you for your efforts. So this app is really legitimate, and you don't have to worry too much about getting extremely frustrated with it. Okay, let me see if I can load back to the main screen. So this Peanut Labs I like a little more than the other one, because I find that surveys are harder to take, but I do like the app installs. Oh my god, is it gonna reload? I don't want to load the page back. Okay, I gotta... Is it just gonna keep reloading the page? Okay, wait, I see the back arrow. It's in the top left. Okay. So the loading isn't extremely fast, but it's something. Okay, there we go. So the page itself might take like 30 seconds to load. So you have your take surveys, which just brings you to this page. You have your refer friends, which again, keep in mind you could make an account and then refer your friends, and then you get money too. But basically the more people you get to use my link and create this, it's gonna help me a tremendous amount, guys. So I'll even show you. So this also has a daily check-in section, and as you can see, I'm 25 days in out of the 45 days, and I'll get an extra 75 cents just for logging in every day and clicking the button. So if you guys want to help me with goal number 6 right now, as you can see, I need to refer at least 2 people. So once 2 people download this app, create an account, and take 1 survey, I'll get 45 zap and 15 cents. And what zap is if you can see from the zap goal. So the 45 zap would be added. I'd have 105 zap out of 500 zap. And once you complete enough of these goals to complete the zap goal, you'll get $10 straight up, which is really good. Okay, so they have the cash out section here. Again, as you can see, I'm really close, guys. So if you could help me out here, I would be glad to make a video showing that the cash out works too, so you don't have to worry about it being fake or anything, because there's other videos out there showing that this is legit too. So the basic cash out option that I would use is PayPal, but you can do all these things too. I believe these are gift cards, but the PayPal is straight to the account. So another thing I like about this, they have the notification setting, which I have set to hang on, I was pretty sure I had it set to 1. Just move that for a second. Okay, so they have it set so that you can remind yourself daily about logging in for the reward, which is very useful if you just want to get extra money just for logging into this app and clicking the button. And you don't even have to log in really, since it keeps your account info in. So another thing you can do that's not even taking surveys, this is literally just free money, guys, is if you travel anywhere with this app on, you'll get a notification as well in your notifications. And if you click on it at a certain place, like if you go shopping or something, and they're doing a like partnership with a certain company or something, you could just get like a free money pretty much. So always have your location rewards on and bring this app around with you when you go out shopping or something. So my personal favorite here is inbrain.ai. So what is so great about this? So these surveys offer more than half a dollar most of the time. You usually get 30 cents ones. So as you can see, 39 cents is my highest. So right now I have 4 slots unlocked because I've been doing this for a while. So you can consider, like, you can level up, I'm going to call it, because yeah, they consider it ranking. So as you can see, right now I have the rank of Survey Savant, which opened up the 4th slot, and I get really good surveys. I took a survey for 70 cents once, and I completed it in like 5 minutes. So, respectively, you could earn, like $2, which again doesn't sound like a lot an hour, but if you do this a lot, you could be earning a lot of extra money for your family or for charity. And the more people you get to use my link, the more it not only gets you 75 cents, but it helps me out a ton too. So once I complete some more surveys, I'll get 40 cents, and any survey that is available, which from what I've heard, I think, is that there's ones even over $1. So I imagine these surveys are a little longer, but it's definitely worth it in my opinion. So again, this app is totally legit. This is probably the best one if you're looking for good surveys to make money. They offer the highest, and what you can do even is, if you keep reloading the in-brain surveys, you can get like the really high offer ones. Like wait till one of the better ones might come around for you. So I'm going to show off tap research just because I haven't done it yet. I'm not going to hold you guys longer, or at least much longer. I just want you guys to understand that this is a legitimate app that you can make money with in your free time. This is not clickbait or anything. I'm giving you a whole walkthrough here. So I'm surprised. I've never seen a 40-cent survey on here. That's the highest one I've seen so far. So what's great about tap surveys is, I'm gonna load in this survey right now, but let's say something's wrong with the survey. Actually, wait, hang on, I did that wrong. Okay, so you load on the tap yeah, no, I'm failing, guys. Hang on, you gotta work with me here. So I just want to show you that it does add money to the counter and stuff. Like I'm not sponsored by Zap Surveys, but you could help me a lot. Okay, so again, 40 cents sized. I'm just gonna click on a 7 cent. Okay, so let's go. I'm not actually gonna waste your time having you guys watch a survey, because again, surveys are kind of boring. Okay, so, and again, this is why if you just you're bored and you have free time, make some money, guys. This is a free application. Okay, so I got a survey from Sample Cube or something. So let's say you get a survey that's glitched or something from Tap Surveys, and I'm pretty sure InBrain does this too. If you fail a survey for some reason, yeah, here it is. So if you get disqualified or something, Peanut Surveys doesn't give you anything for disqualifications, which is why I really prefer the app installs. So again, you get 2 cents. So as you can see in the little green trophy thing at the bottom right, that shows you how much I believe you've made in a day. Actually, and I think they keep a little record here of what your information is. Okay, so as you can see, I've made 82 this month, which is pretty decent, but again, I would have made more, but this isn't my preferred way of surveys. I prefer inbrain.ai. If you get, I noticed from a friend who's also doing this, who can also verify that this is legitimate. It's Matthew28YT. I figure I'll just give him another shout out. So basically, you have the same icons or pictures of these, but it might come under the name like high value surveys or something, but it's all the same. So I'm just gonna end it off here. So again, guys, if you have free time and you wanna make money, either it be for charity or your family or yourself, maybe you want to get a gift for yourself or for your family. It's Mother's Day is, oh god, I can't even speak English. Mother's Day is tomorrow. You have to excuse me, I have a bit of a sore throat. Mother's Day is tomorrow from when I'll be uploading this. Obviously, it's a little late because I'd say you could probably get the 25th in a week if you take a few surveys per day, and they're high-paying surveys. So, basically, do it for your family, do it for charity. I'm gonna leave this link right here. I'm gonna leave this link down in the description. You download this app, you make an account, and you take one survey. You're literally giving me 45 cents for free. So please share this with whoever you can, because the more people that use this link, the more it improves my life significantly, and I couldn't be any more serious about that, because this is legitimate money, guys, and I wish you the best of luck if you do decide to do this, because you get to start off with $7 if you use my link. If not, you still start out with $6.35. This is the best survey app that I've seen, honestly, maybe even better than Life Points, which is a video I made in the past about how to get free battle passes for Fortnite, which you can check out too if you want. So for more videos like this, please subscribe and hit the bell. I'm gonna try to make a lot more gaming content. Make sure my throat isn't sore, because you guys don't want to listen to deep muttering the whole time. Okay, so use the link. Check out Matthew28YT. He's a good friend of mine. And like the video if you find this helpful. I'll leave a poll on the top as well. And tell me if you guys have any problems with this app in the comments. Even dislike it to get my attention if you really need to. And I'm gonna make sure to answer your inquiries. I'm sorry this video has lasted about 20 minutes now, but thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.